Hello, in this video I want to show you how to charge ICE Ring. To do this, first we'll need to check the bottom side of the charger which comes with this device, and here you can read the input, which is 5 watts and 1 ampere. That means you will need to find the charger with that statistics, and when you have it, connect the USB-C port right here and also to your charger. Now we can get our ring and find the charging spot. It looks like this. Also on the charger you can find the same spot right there. Now just put it like that, which should magnetize the ring, and now it should begin charging. You can also identify it by looking on the LED lamp right there. When it blinks with the red light, that means your ring is charging. When it blinks with the green light, that means the ring is fully charged. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.